TIDRADIO H8, second generation. Unboxing, setup, and demo. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. TIDRADIO recently reached out to me to see if I was interested in testing their second generation H8. I, of course, accepted the offer from TIDRADIO, and so here, let's take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and show you the unboxing, the initial setup including the app, and then a demo of the radio itself. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the TIDRADIO H8. Here's the box itself. Inside here is the user's manual. It is printed in English, and I'm quite impressed with it. I think they did a very good job explaining things on the radio. It's very straightforward, very easy to understand, very easy to find things in the manual as well too. So kudos to TIDRADIO for coming up with a great user manual here. Here's the radio itself. There's a number and contact information for customer support. Here's a clip to be able to attach that to your belt. Here's the charging cradle. There's a cord to be able to attach to the radio. Now here's the charging brick and cable for the radio. And here is the antenna for the radio that comes with it. Now TIDRADIO also supplied me with this antenna as well too. I don't know if this comes with the normal stock radios or not. Okay, now the radio itself, very well made. I'm very impressed with the construction of it. There are the ports on the side right here. And the contacts for to charge the battery. And there's your push to talk switch right there. Now on the top, there's a flashlight on the top, the on-off switch along with volume as well too. And it has a very nice color display on it. Now we're going to set up the charging base here. We're going to plug the USB port into the charger itself. And we're going to plug the other end into the base. Go ahead and get this in the wall and the outlet here. And we have that in, and the radio is now charging. Okay, that was the unboxing and setup. Let's take a look at the app. Now, I've already downloaded the app and set up an account, and the information will be down in the description for what app to use. So we're going to go ahead and select read. Now, it's going to be reading the channels that are already loaded onto the HT itself. You can see it's hooked up via Bluetooth. Now it has read all those. And now what we want to do right here is go ahead and look at the repeater list, and it's repeaters that are in your area. We're going to go ahead and select one here, and you select import to. And you can actually select the channel. Select import. You can see the blue bars telling you progress. You can take a look at the H8 and it'll tell you the progress it's making. Okay, it's 100%. Now we downloaded this to channel 4. Channel 3 is showing right now. Let's go ahead and get that.
4.
And that's channel 4. That's what we just downloaded. There's
2. 1. 2.
And that's how easy it is to program the TID Radio H8. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at a demo of the TID Radio H8.
Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar, testing. Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar, testing. Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar, testing. Kilo Whiskey 4, Quebec Oscar, testing.
My initial thoughts on the TID Radio H8. I did not own a first generation TID Radio H8, so I can't compare it to that. But one of my big takeaways is the application that is used to go ahead and download channels on here from your Android phone is absolutely fantastic. It works flawlessly. I was very impressed with that. The signal strength on the TID Radio H8 seems to be okay, both on receive and transmit. Again, I don't have equipment to be able to properly test that, but from my initial test, it did pick up from my Yaesu FT5DR. Question of the day. What did you think of the TID Radio H8 second generation unboxing, setup, and demo? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 threes, everyone.